Namaste everyone. Physis means nature. We believe that everything which surrounds us, our family. Hello everyone, myself Anjali from Physis Junior Wing class 9th. Friends, I am here for delivering a small speech on Earth Day under our program Chalo Vishwa Ko Jaane. Friends, what is Earth Day and when is it celebrated? In our entire solar system, Earth is the only planet that sustains life. Earth Day is celebrated to protect the Earth from man-made harm. Earth Day is celebrated worldwide on 22 April every year. The idea of celebrating Earth Day was suggested by John M. Collin at the UNESCO conference in the year 1969. Later, the International Earth Day was declared as 22 April 1970. On 2016 Earth Day, the famous Paris Agreement was signed among countries like the United Kingdom, United States, China and other 120 countries. Why is Earth Day celebrated? Many might often wonder why we celebrate Earth Day. For that, one has understand Earth helps in For that, one has to understand how Earth helps in sustaining life on Earth. In our entire solar system, Earth is the only planet that has right amenities, that is air and water, to support life on it. Throughout ages, Earth has provided us, mankind, with every kind of resource available to make our life as smooth as possible. Because it fresh drinking water or enough oxygen or proper landform or proper climate to harbor life, Earth has given us everything we need. The main reason why Earth is celebrated worldwide is to promote activities to protect the Earth and its resources. Through Earth Day celebrations, many people and countries take different measures to protect the resources on Earth and work towards more sustainable way of life. Way to protect Earth. The first way which we can preserve our resource is by utilizing less land for cultivation. Large area of forest every year are cleared to make space for cultivation. We should try to grow crops that require less area, and this can be done through the crop rotation technique. Instead of using non-renewable energies, we should focus on renewable resources like energy, wind energy, hydro power, etc. We should plant more trees and maintain a proper balance between human beings and nature. Theme of Earth Day for 2022. Earth Day organized is together with Earth Day is organization with our partners proud to announce the 5th Exponential Climate Action Summit. Explore the role of nature in the race to zero. We need reach net zero. Greenhouse has emissions by mid-century to keep the global temperature below 1.5 degrees Celsius. Thank you everyone for listening me on this occasion. I wish you a very warm as good day for you. Thank you.